Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this demo I will show you that how to use justify option in Excel. So before that, let's create some string values over here, January, and I will drag it like this, right? So let's suppose we have a data in row wise A1, A2, A3, A5 in this manner, right? So let's take an example. Let's suppose I want this complete data in one cell, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, something like that. So what we can do, we can just select it and increase the width of this column, this A column. So you can see that the width of this A column has been increased, right? Then go to the fill option and click on justify. So now you can see that everything which were earlier in my rows, now it is shifted to the in one cell. So let's suppose what I want right now, that I do not want that everything will just stay in one cell. I want like January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, something like that. So how can we do that? So for that, just simply just select this complete column, then go to the data ribbon and click on text to column, then delimit, select delimit, it is auto selected, then click next, and then you need to click on this space option, just check it, right? Once you will check it, you can see the preview over here, then click next and finish, and then shrink this column like this. Then you can see that the everything is all the values we have right now in different columns, right? So I will delete this thing and I will create one more data like January, and I will drag it like this, right? So I will select it, I will increase the width, and then I will go to the home tab, fill command, series, and not series, and justify. So everything is in one cell, and if I want it like uh, in like January, February, March, April in this manner, then I will shrink this column like this, and then select this column, and I will click on this fill command, then click on justify. Then you can see that the whatever the data we have in one cell, it is just comes one by one in this particular column row wise, like A1, A2, A3, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. So in this way you can also use justify option if you have this kind of data. If suppose you are just importing data from the web, so most of the time we face such scenarios, right? So you can use justify option in order to manipulate the data according to your way, right? I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.